Good day, YouTube. Today I'm going to do a review on this Rav4. I just picked this thing up today about 4 hours ago, and it had 196,000 kilometers on it, which is about 122,000 miles. It's got a tow hitch. It is Toyota, and the hookup. It's a 5-door. It's a 2.4 liter, 17-inch wheels, has a nudge bar. They just put a new windscreen in it. The interior is pretty clean. It's black interior. It does have downhill assist. And it is a 4x4 model. Air conditioning, CD player, MP3, AM, FM. It's got a glove compartment up here, and also a glove compartment down here. Cup holders in here. Traction control. Power windows throughout. It's got a top one here, and it's also got a deeper one there. It's a 4-speed automatic. It's got power windows. It's got a sunglass holder up here. Each one of the sun visors has got its own mirror with a light. It's a 6-speaker stereo. In the back, these seats do recline, and they also fold forward to make a big flat area in here. The spare tire is underneath there. All the lights work, everything seems to work, all the nets are there. This is the back cargo area. It does have storage under here. And all the jack and tools are behind there. It does have roof racks. Let's look under the bonnet or the hood. It is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. I know they did come in V6, and I believe in some countries they had 2.2 liter diesel as well. The battery's fairly new, 9.9. That's only a couple of days old. Everything looked really clean in here. It does have ABS brakes, and it's 4-wheel disc. The air conditioner blows really cold. Everything looked together here. See the drive shaft down there for the back. So whatever videos I do on this, upgrades, maintenance, even when I'm taking it out, I'm probably going to take it to the sand and see what it's like on the beach too. I'll be sure to upload on YouTube, so subscribe, like, and follow.